on okay. Electric field are uniformly charge distributed body. Charge distributed. Okay. Let us take one thin wire. Here charge is of charge Q is uniformly distributed plus. So from this you have to find electric field at point P. Let us take this distance is A. Let us take one element here. Let us take one element here. Having a real and this charge is dq, right? And this distance is r. This distance is r. And this small distance is L. Let us take this angle is phi. This angle is what? Phi. And it varies from theta 1 to theta 2. Here center line theta 1 to theta 2. Now, so from charge density, what is formula? dq by dl. dq by dl. dq is equal to pi into lambda into dl. Okay. Now here one more pi terms introduced, no? So we want now some trigonometric functions we are using here. ಇದು 90 degree ಆದರೆ ಇದಾದ right angle triangle. From this we need some definition. What is tan pi value here? Tan pi value what? Opposite by base. ಇದು 90 degree ಇದು angle ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಬೇಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದೇನಂತ opposite ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು L by A. L by A. Cos pi definition ಏನು?
Opposite adjacent by hypotenuse.
Base by hypotenuse. Base by
A by R.
Hypotenuse. So what is base? A
by R.
A by R. Okay. Now this is a small element, no? This is a dq small element, no? So electric field acts this direction with an angle of phi. With an angle of phi. This one will become phi idre angle idre no cos component phi idre cos component de cos phi. ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು θ ಯಾವ ಸೈಡ್ ಇರ್ತದ ಅಲ್ಲಿ cos ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಯಾವ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತದ ಅಲ್ಲಿ cos ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ d sin phi. Now see here, this is electrical wire. So ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ಯಾವ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ? ಇದರದ್ದು what is the angle is perpendicular. This is what perpendicular. ಇದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಇದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ. ಇದರ angle ಇದು parallel. Okay. Now we have two components, perpendicular and parallel. What is the definition of electric field? K dq by r square, right? From here, K dq is what?
Lambda
into dl by r square. This is what r square. Okay. Here we don't want r square. We want to eliminate this r square. How? With another component. Another component we have to eliminate this. So this one, What is r equal to? From this r, what is r is equal to? R. ಇದು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂತು. ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ?
A by cos phi.
A by
Cos
cos phi. A by cos phi. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಐತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ? k lambda dl. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಐತೆ. ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಾ? a ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ by cos ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ phi. ರೈಟ್? ಇದು ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ k lambda dl into cos square pi divided by a square. Up to now, no doubt. Here everything. From this we have to eliminate dl. So what is l? Take a tan component.
R d theta. R
Here. So l is equal to what? A into tan phi. L is equal to nothing.
A tan phi.
A into tan phi. Now I am differentiating with respect to pi. dl by d pi. dl by d pi. Differentiation of tan is secant square pi. Differentiation of tan is what? Secant square. This is formula. Okay. Now come to here. Let us say first perpendicular. Perpendicular. E is equal to de cos phi. de cos phi. Perpendicular taking E is d is equal to cos phi. Here theta varies from minus theta 1 to plus theta 1. ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ಹಿಂಗಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ವೇರಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಸೈಡ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಸೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So theta minus theta to theta 1. Now what is the from here?
Q lambda dl into cos.
Before that, wait here. K lambda dl ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? dl ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? A into
secant
square phi into
d phi.
d phi. Right. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. dl ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಇವಾಗ? A secant square pi ಐದರಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗದಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, cos square pi into cos square pi divided by a square. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು cos square ಅಂದ್ರೆ cos ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ಆಫ್ secant theta. ಸೊ cos ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರೋದು 1 by secant pi. ಸೊ 1 by secant square pi ಬರೋದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ k lambda ಇಲ್ಲಿ a get cancel. secant square pi ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರೋದು ಅಥವಾ cos ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರೋದು? cos ಅಂದ್ರೆ secant square pi. cos ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರೋದು 1 by secant square pi into d pi. secant square we can just cancel. What left? ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲಿ?
K lambda
into
dq
d pi
by a.
Right. Up here clear now? Up here clear now? Now we will take. What is the now? What is the
Q lambda
k lambda
d
by
a.
cos pi d pi. Right. Here. Now what is the
K lambda a common आता.
yes, k lambda by a common minus theta t2 theta 1 integration of cos pi d pi. What is the integration of cos pi?
Sin theta.
Sin pi. Here pi we are taking now. So what is the integration of this one? Sin pi. Apply theta 1 to minus theta 2. So E perpendicular is equal to k lambda by a sin pi 1 or theta 1 plus minus sin minus of theta 2. K lambda by a sin theta 1 minus into minus of minus is minus only. Minus into minus plus sin theta. This is about perpendicular. If we take parallel, E parallel, what is E parallel? D sin phi plus agada first equal to parallel is equal to what? Integration theta 1 to minus theta 2 d sin phi, right? Sin phi. Next, what is the definition of d theta 1 to minus theta 2? D definition of k lambda by a into d phi into sin phi. Right? Theta 1 to minus theta 2. What is constant here? K lambda by a constants. Take outside what here? Sin phi d phi. What is the integration of sin phi?
Minus
Minus cos phi. So minus cos phi. Theta varies from theta 1 to theta 2. Reverse. Theta 1 to minus theta 2. Take minus outside, minus k lambda by a cos theta 1 minus cos minus of theta 2. Minus of cos theta is plus theta. So it becomes k lambda by a E parallel is equal to k lambda by a cos theta 1 minus it will become minus cos theta 2. If you multiply this minus inside, what it become? K lambda by a minus into minus, this one plus cos theta 2. This plus into minus minus cos theta 1. This is what E parallel. Here same only charge is not uniform. Definite length alla. But here length infinite. This one you can expect for quantity exams. Direct for 1 marks. Here length infinitely large. Now here this is theta 1 and this is theta 2, right? This is theta 1 and theta 2. Here theta 1 and theta 2 will become 90 degree. Infinitely large. Then the angle infinitely large ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. So maximum ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Maximum ಹಿಂಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Maximum ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ angle? 90 degree. So apply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಈ parallel ಏನು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ?
k lambda by a
K lambda by a
cos theta 1 minus
cos theta 2
minus cos theta 1.
cos theta 1. What is cos 90 value? Cos 90 value
0.
0 minus 0. 0 into anything?
0.
0. E perpendicular. What is the perpendicular formula? K lambda by a what? Sin theta 1 plus sin theta 2. K lambda. What is sin 90 value? 1. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1?
2.
2 into
2 lambda
2 K lambda by
a.
when it's perpendicular means K lambda by a. When it is parallel means it become 0. Take it. Electric field on the charged axis of ring. Okay. Now take this is a ring. What is this? Ring. Charge is distributed here. Here this is the center, this is the radius. Now this is the x. Let us take one element dq. dq here is point charge, and this is angle theta. This is angle theta. This is x. This is r. Okay. Now here see same component ಇದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಇದು r ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು r ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು r ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಈ r ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಥೀಟಾ ನು ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Before that, what is dq is equal to? dq is equal to k dq by r square. K dq by r square. Definition. Correct. K dq by r square. Now here okay. Now here this is rectangle triangle, right? Rectangle triangle. Apply Pythagoras theorem. What it become? R square is equal to r square plus x square, right? Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is equal to opposite base square plus opposite square. So r is equal to what? Square root of r square plus x square, right? So square root we can write r is equal to r square plus x square to the power 1/2, right? Now here see here this r small r this theta and this x are constant. Means ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅದೊಂದೇ ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು r ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ r ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ x ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ r ಥೀಟಾ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ r theta and x are constants. What is here? Constant. Okay. Now if I take one more component here and I'm taking this dq component, right? dq component at distance r, it will electric field goes this direction, right? Electric field goes this direction. Again dividing component, it become theta. This is what?
Cos.
d
Cos theta.
This one
Sin theta.
d sin theta, right? Now ನಾ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ತರ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಥೀಟಾ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದೇ ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ d cos theta ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನಂತ ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? d sin theta ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಎರಡು ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಅದು ಎರಡು ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತವ? ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ we are no need to find out the d sin theta component. You want only d cos theta component. Okay. Due to symmetry, the d sin theta component will get cancel, and d sin theta component, d cos theta component will add. Now take definition. Electric field, this become d net, d cos theta, right? What is d? K lambda by k dq by r square into cos theta, right? Now here k constant, r constant, theta also constant. K constant, 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 R still constant. R also constant. I will take outside. K cos theta by R square. Now what left?
dq.
dq only left. Integration of dq is what? Q. Integration of q is dq is what? So it comes K cos theta by R square in cos theta. What is this? Q. So it becomes KQ cos theta by R square. What is R value? KQ cos theta. What is R value? R square plus X square
Whole
whole to the power 1 by 2
into square. Whole square.
into
Whole square.
whole square.
Square.
Yeah, R square. Okay. Now we have one more step. KQ by R square plus we take this one R square. This is R. This is okay. First step you take still here take R square only. R square. Wait. What is cos theta from this? What is cos theta from this? Cos theta is equal to what? Base by hypotenuse. What it become? X by R. Right. X by R. X by R is equal to KQ X R square into
R cube.
R cube. Up here take down. KQ X by R cube. Right? R cube. Now tell me E next is equal to what is R value? KQX. R value ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲಿ ಪದಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. R square plus X square to the power 3. So the number is KQX R square plus X square to the power 3 by 2 3 by 320 3 ones 3 by 2 3 by 2 okay. Now let us take R is very bigger than R is very bigger than X. R is very bigger than X. X is bigger than R. X is very bigger than R. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿಸು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಈ ತರ ಇತ್ತು ಇದೇನಿದು ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ R ಇದು ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ R ಇದು X ಏನಿದೆ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ನಾವು ಬಹಳ ದೂರ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ X is greater than R ಸೊ ಏನು ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ನಾವು R ನ ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು R ನ ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು R ನ ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿ ಸಣ್ಣ ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವಾಗ KQX by x square to the power 3 by 2. This two cancel. What left? KQX by x cube. This x one x cancel. What left? KQ by x square. Eಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಒಂದು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇರುತ್ತಾ at point P x distance ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ electric field ಆಗುತ್ತಾ KQX
ಇಲ್ಲ KQ by X square.
KQ by X square. KQ by X square. What is this? Point charge. What is this? Point charge. So we proved this is what? Point charge. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಟು ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಟು ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಇದನ್ನ ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಈ ನೆಟ್ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.